Hello from Singapore, Marina Bay. I'm here and I'm out for a run in my old neighborhood where I used to live for 5 years. It's a great pleasure to come back here because this is where it all began. I remember 4 years ago when I was here for a photo shoot for my book Executive Loneliness. I can remember being shy, not wanting to be on the cover because I didn't want it to be all about me. However, the publisher insisted that it was about me and I had to have my story in the book. Reluctantly, I published it and there it was. Boom! When it came out, it was a #1 bestseller in the US, UK and in Australia in men's health and mental health and many other categories. And I'm so grateful for all the opportunities that have come from that to help so many people. These days, I'm giving keynotes, workshops and coaching people to overcome loneliness and to really find a connection in themselves and also with their teams so that we can lead with authenticity and trust and be vulnerable as leaders.